everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. Today I'm going to be guiding you through an easy process on how to sign up for Edward Jones account. Watch the tutorial till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you will receive updates whenever we upload a new content. To get started, open up a web browser of your choice. Type in www.edwardjones.com and press enter. Doing so will take you to the official web page of Edward Jones. Edward Jones is a full-service firm that provides financial service to its clients. If you'd like to get started with Edward Jones from the official web page of Edward Jones, click on the secure login button at the top right. You'll end up in the login area. Now you can simply enter your user ID and password if you already have an existing account to get access to it. If you don't have an account yet, click on this Get Started button right next to Not Enrolled in Online Access. On the next page, you'll be able to see the Sign Up area. To verify your identity, type in your account number. Your account number is located in the top right corner of the page 1 of your statement. Go ahead and find it and type it in. You'll only need to type in the first 8 digits on your account number. Now enter your date of birth on the next field. Enter the last 4 digits of your social security number on the next field and click Next. Follow through the on-screen prompts till the end in order to complete the sign-up process. Alternatively, you can also ask for Edward Jones Financial Advisor for more information. That is how you'll be able to sign up for edwardjones.com. I hope the tutorial helped you. If it did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.